Hello guys, welcome to our channel and our today's video topic is email marketing and its type. And in its second part we will discuss that how it is empowering the black on digital marketing. First of all, we will discuss its intro that email promoting a foundation of present day computerized show causing empowers organizations to straightforwardly arrive at their ideal interest groups inbox. A customized approach encourages significant associations, drives commitment, and produce important transformations for dark claimed organizations. Email showcasing feels in as powerful instrument to lay out their image personality and advance their contributions successfully. Their rudiments of email showcasing building a supporters rundown. The groundwork of effective email promoting lies in as well organized supporters rundown. Organizations can naturally develop this rundown through their site, virtual entertainment and associations and occasions. Quality general best amount having drawn in endorsers who energetically pick in grunters, high open rates and snap throws. Creating convincing email content. The core of email advertising is the actual substance. Convincing title, compact yet captivating duplicate, and decisively positioned visuals can allure pursuers to investigate the whole email. The substance ought to offer some benefit, whether through offers, bits of knowledge, or diversion. Limited time messages driving deals offers. Item declarations. Presenting new items by means of emails makers energy among supporters. A very much planned email exhibiting the elements and advantages of the item can prompt direct and surprisingly social sharing. Restricted time limits. Darkness drives activity. Restricted time rebate offers urge supporters of settle on brief buying choices, helping both the client and the business. Useful business sharings, what and information, industry experiences. Sharing industry patterns and experiences position the business as a power. Supporters value educational substance that keep them informed but the most recent turns of events. Instructive substance. Bulletins can likewise incorporate how to guide instructional exercise or instructive articles offering endorsers important information and building trust over the long run. Narrating through messages, marking and association, brand story and values. Portraying the brand's execution and values through messages cultivates a unique interaction with endorsers. Individuals respond with the stories, and this profound commitment can prompt brand awareness. Client example of overcoming adversity. Sharing genuine examples of overcoming adversity of clients who have profited from the item or administration grandstands and its worth and assembles believability. Occasion of greeting messages, cultivating commitment, online classes and studios. Welcoming supporters of elite online courses or studios adds esteem as well empowers connections and interest. Selective occasions. Facilitating occasions solely for supporters remunerates their devotion and providing them a feeling of having a place with a local area. Customized proposal messages, fitting encounters, item suggestion, descending endorser conduct permits organizations to send customized item suggestions, expanding the possibilities of change. Modified offers. Fitting offers in light of supporter inclinations grandstands the business mindfulness and upgrades the client experience. Supporting efforts, building enduring connections, trickle email missions, trickle cursories include sending a progression of message after some time. continuously supporting leads and directing them through the deals channels. I hope you have enjoyed our videos. Thank you for watching our video.